Okay, problem number 1, we're going to do matrix. Okay, so I need you to pause the video, put this in matrix, and then write down what you get, because it's going to be a weird answer. Okay? After you have done matrix on this problem, you end up with 1, negative 1.75, 0, and 0, 0, 1. First of all, this is not one solution. Okay? One solution means 1, 0, 0, 1. That's not what that says. So, the bottom, you're going to look at the bottom and see if that's a true statement or not. 0 plus 0 equals 1. Is that true or false? 0 plus 0 should give you 0, not anything else. So this is not true. It's never going to be true. Therefore, this is no solution. Okay? If it was 0, 0, 0, then 0 plus 0 always gives you 0. Therefore, it would have been infinite solutions. The answer here is J. Problem number 2, you're just going to match those answers and see which one gives you the correct equations for that scenario. Problem number 3, I need you to cross it out. We're not going to do it because the answers are not written correctly. Okay, one of those answers is written wrong, and that's the correct answer. So I'm not going to do that one with you. Problem number 5 is also written incorrectly, but we are going to do it. Okay? We're going to do it. We're just going to change one of those answers to the correct one. We're going to put this in matrix. You can also eyeball what the number of dimes is and what the number of nickels is in this solution. Okay, and see which of the following is the best estimate for the number of nickels. So again, it's not going to be perfect, but which one is the closest to it? Okay, because when you do matrix on this, you're going to get something, and that the answer is not going to be there. So I want you to pause right now. I want you to do matrix on that problem, and then let's see what you get. And then press play so that we can finish it up. So hopefully you did matrix on it and you're not just trying to copy. Okay, remember this was a 1 and a 1, so 1, 1, 22, 0.10, 0.05, and 150. That gives you 1001, and the answer is 814. Okay, and because we put D first, the 8 is D, D equals 8. And then we put the n second, so n equals 14. Now they're asking for the nickels. So nickels is 14. I don't see a 14 down here. Okay? But it also says which is the best estimate. So if I go over here on my graph, this right here looks like it's at 8 dimes. Okay? And this right here looks like it's at 13 nickels. So the one that's closest to it is 13, and 13 is really close to 14. But it's not exactly at 15, so 15 would not be the answer. Okay? That's why the answer is 13, and it's the best estimate. But really, it was 14 nickels. Okay, problem number 6. This one, where's number 6? This one is also going to have to be like estimates. Okay? Because this looks like it's close to like 1.5, comma, about 5. Okay, but both numbers are positive. This one's positive, this one's positive. All of these answers are going to get you really weird answers. Like really weird answers. So you're going to put everything in matrix. Do matrix 4 times on these answer choices. Okay? You're going to have to round. And we don't want any fractions. No fractions. If you do math inner on this, it's going to get you a fraction. I'm just going to do letter A with you. I'm going to do letter A with you, but you're going to do B, C, and D, and you're going to see what I'm talking about. No fractions, so don't do math inner. So let's go to the calculator, and let's do matrix on letter A. Second matrix, go over to edit. It's a 2 by 3. And we're going to type 7, enter, -4, enter, 8, enter. Again, this is letter A. 4, enter, -7, enter, and 28, enter. Okay, quit. So second mode. Go back to matrix. Second matrix, go over to math, and go up to RREF. 2 R's. Enter 1 time, and then second matrix, enter. You see how weird these numbers are? If I press math enter, it's going to give me a fraction, and I don't want a fraction. I want to round. So this is about -1.7, comma, -5. Okay, so both of the numbers are negative, and that's not what we were talking about in the in the problem. Let me go back. Okay, we said that both numbers have to be positive. Positive and positive. This one gave me a -1.7 and a -5. That's why that is not the answer. So you're going to continue like that until you find the correct answer, the one that is closest to it. Okay, and we're rounding. So go ahead and finish the rest of this paper. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to help each other out. Ask for help from the sub or from Ms. Bencourt.